Well, as you can see this time, that was the Aeroplane just seen this time anyway. As you can see this time, it was just the Aeroplane we've just seen this time anyway. As we've just seen from a distance, as you can see, that was the Cessna, and that was the Cessna 172M Skyhawk. That was we've just seen this time. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-EGLA, that is. Which this is one that's operated by the Cornwall Flying Club anyway. So as you can see from here, this is where it's flown over to. It's flown here about 15,000 feet from here. As it did sort of turning as it was flying over towards Flushing by the looks of it, as it flew here about 15,000 feet, as we've seen from a distance. And that just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield, which I believe this just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield around, there he is. So yes, as you can see, it took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield around 4:15, I believe. So yeah, so I believe it just took off from its base at Bodmin Airfield around 4:15 anyway. Okay, so yeah, hopefully it should be heading back to its base at Bodmin Airfield very soon, hopefully. And that is the Cessna 172 Skyhawk, that is. And the registration is G-EGLA, that is, which is the one that's operated by the Cornwall Flying Club. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye-bye.